What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. First thing I want to say is thank you guys, all of you, for 80,000 subscribers. That's unreal. I can't thank you enough for your support. If you haven't done so already, hit that bell down there. YouTube's very, very funky right now, and some of you are not getting these videos, so hit that bell so you don't miss out. Now, as you can see, you're like, why is there a stack of tires behind you? Why is there another box over there? Why are there more boxes there? There's more boxes inside. It's also like 8 a.m. right now, and I'm really tired. But we got stuff to do because I think I'm running to a 4x4 vent at Quaker Steak and Lube after this. So we're going to do this mod really quick here, sort of quick. But then we're headed to 4x4 night, which is afternoon, at Quaker Steak and Lube. Didn't even know it was happening, so it kind of like caught me off guard, so now we're rushing. I posted those on my Instagram story. People are like, what are those for? They're going on the Hellcat. We're gonna make them fit. Anyway, that is for the I'm just kidding, those are going on. We're doing this, all these parts except those Fox shocks is what we're doing today. Those are going on my buddy's Eco Diesel. That box is for my buddy's Eco Diesel. A couple more boxes inside that are going on my buddy's Eco Diesel. So we're doing a sort of a build on an Eco Diesel here. A lot of upgrades. That should be here this week. I honestly was going to rip my seatbelts out today. I still might, depending on what's going on later. But I still might rip all those seatbelts out. If not today, I will rip them out tomorrow. But what we're doing today involves some Fox shocks and my truck. So some of you are going to be like, Fox shocks? You already have coilovers on this truck. This kit was designed to have helper shocks in here. And by helper shocks, you're going to see what I'm saying. You're like, dang, that looks more official. That's pretty much what this is for. This truck rides pretty darn good already. It may ride better, it may ride stiffer with those. I don't know. Almost 100% for looks, but may help ride quality a little bit. As you can see in this box, I still have my steering stabilizer brackets as well. Those need to go on, but we're still waiting on Fox to get them in stock. That was legitimately the problem with this. And I'm missing a bolt that's not good. Anyway, that was legitimately the problem with this, is that we don't have these shocks right there. They just weren't I'm talking way too much. Let's just get on with this. Let's break the one open I already have open, really. And here's what we are dealing with. These are Fox Resi shocks. They were supposed to be here a long time ago, but Fox has been back ordered, and I found somebody on eBay that literally has, I found one person with one and one person with two. So obviously bought the ones on eBay that have some off-road shop had two of them in stock. So here we are. Okay, so my only problem kind of is so far, I don't know where my shock bolts are, my factory ones. I'm gonna go check the box I have. I don't have any bolts to bolt the shocks, and these are a little thick for these, so I might have to go run and get some other ones. However, I'm gonna go look and see if I got the stock bolts somewhere. If not, we'll run up to the hardware store, get some bolts for that, and we should be good. Let's see here. Oh, I think I was smart when I did this. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think I have my stock shock bolts. Which is funny because a lot of you have not seen the stock parts collection in a while. Stock boost tubes, intake horn before I upgraded the EGR, stock suspension, extra 5-inch pipe tip. Those are extra coilovers that may or may not be going on some build soon. I don't know. I found this at Area 51. Don't know what this is. Alright, so no biggie. We'll just run up to the store real quick and get new bolts, I guess. That's the only way this is going to get done today, and we're kind of on a time crunch. Kind of not, but let's go get this done. I'm going to take one with me so I can pick out the right bolt. Okay, made the quick detour, got the bolts. Now this should work. As always. Okay, so in my last video, a lot of you were like, where'd you get the Milwaukee set? I love Milwaukee. And where'd you get the gear wrenches and the gear wrench set? So the Milwaukee, honestly, I bought online. Packaged it with the 3/8 impact and the 1/2-inch impact over there. Gear wrench, buy this on Amazon, not off a Snap-on truck. These were 99 bucks on Amazon, and they're like $300 on a Snap-on truck. Gear wrench set. Honestly, I love gear wrench tools, and I love Milwaukee tools. These, honestly, on Amazon. This is stuck on my engine bay somewhere. I gotta order a new one. But this set's been great. I did over 300 lift kits with this set and my 1/2-inch set from Gear Wrench. Not a single socket broke. Actually, the only thing that broke was this, but I just kind of welded it shut, so that ain't coming out. Awesome set. It's on Amazon. I think it's honestly, it might be in the my links down there or not, but honestly, awesome set. Holy cow. Oh. Alright. I don't think that's working. Definitely gonna try and put the bottom one in first because that shock is very difficult to compress. Let this one begin. Wow, that took a lot more effort than it should have. Those shots are quite something. Alright, and then for the resi holder, scoot it down just a bit, but still have it up. Me being an idiot, I trapped the plastic in this clamp, so I'm gonna have to unclamp that and get this plastic out. But yeah, I'm gonna do that real quick. Now it looks twice as expensive. My favorite question from everybody is like, what does all this do? Pretty much this just confuses more people, and I like that because they're like, wow, look at that, that's crazy. Because the first thing everyone does is look underneath the truck at the suspension, so they're gonna see this and be like, whoa, the hose, and then look at this hose and this knob, and like, it's just fun. It's just fun. In the next project for today, we're going to be removing all the seat belts out of my truck. As you guys know, if you've been following the channel, I'm doing a seat belt color change in this truck. What really inspired this is the fact that every time someone gets in my Charger here, they notice the red belts. And they're like, dude, red seat belts? That's pretty sick. So that inspired me to do something on this channel that very few people do, is to go through this process and get your seat belts changed. If you follow me on Instagram, you know what color they're going to. If not, that's for me to know and you to wonder, and you'll see in a couple days when I get these back. I'm working with the company Safety Restore. I will put their Instagram link in the description below. Check them out. This is gonna be awesome. So back when I worked at the shop, we did leather interiors all the time. And obviously you take the whole interior out, you're gonna strip all the cloth off, take these plastics off, re-wrap everything in leather, and then you're done. But these tracks, you don't wanna get them offset. So the way to do this, put your seat all the way forward, take your back bolts out, put your seat all the way back, take your front bolts out, and then you can lean the chair back and disconnect all your power options. Underneath my WeatherTech here, you'll see your two 18 mils. Oh, it wants to play like that, huh? I got just the remedy for that. Just get a bigger impact. Lean it back. Now, as you can see, all your connections are still plugged in here. What we're gonna do is just unplug them all. Some of them will be not so easy. Most of them have safety tabs on them. Now, when you get to your airbag ones, these are the yellow plugs. Some of them in some vehicles are actually quite confusing. Rams, luckily, are not. Now we're actually gonna skip that seat for right now and take these back seats out. Ram, for some reason, decided it's a good idea to bolt the passenger seat to the center console. So those seats are bolted together, and I really don't feel like, slash I don't know if I have, no, it's a 7mm. I don't think I have a 7mm to get, actually it might be 8, I don't know. It's either 7 or 8mm to get these screws out of here so I can get this out. We're gonna see. Yeah, they bolted those together, so that's not fun. This comes out quite easy. Okay, so the torque socket I need, definitely broke it, never replaced it. So, good. What we're gonna do is remove all these plastics. I'm gonna run to the gym and then hopefully either pick up a socket or borrow one from a buddy if there's no stores open and get the rest of these belts out. See, I remember, oh, I think I just went like this. Yep, that's exactly what I did. However, this also needs to pop off. Let's try and pop this off without scratching it up. There we go. All right, so quick update. It poured last night, and I wasn't gonna sit out here and do this in the rain. But we picked up our socket here, a T50, and that will do. All right, and one thing you want to make sure before you start touching any of this apparatus, you want to unplug the airbag wire down here. This is what's going to trigger your belt to lock up in an accident, but you want to unplug this. Kind of just like that, easy but not. Got the whole seatbelt apparatus right here. This is your driver's side. I'll probably mark them, obviously, I think. Your seatbelt is out. Now we're gonna get all the other belts out. We're gonna send this to Safety Restore, the whole thing. And they're gonna go in there, they're gonna re-sew any tags, any factory stickers, anything. And they're gonna re-web this with our color of choice, which is gonna be freaking sweet. If there's any like weird tricks on any of the other ones, I'll show you, but if not, if anything's kind of straightforward, it'll be the same concept for all of them. So pretty much take out the bottom bolt, take out the 2 bottom bolts and the 1 top bolt, and you're pretty much good to go. So we're gonna run through the rest of them real quick, and we can get these boxed up and take them to the post office so they can get shipped out and they can get shipped back. Obviously, if you don't have a ram, this won't matter to you, but there's this little Phillips screw behind here, and then you're gonna take that out, and then this whole plastic will pop off for you. Alright, and as you can see, what we have left is a fully disassembled cab, minus 2 seats. You probably didn't have to even take the driver's seat out, but as you can see, the mess I'm going to vacuum up anyway. That's definitely okay with me. I'm going to vacuum this whole thing out. I'm going to clean all this out, get all these plastics in order, arrange all this, take out what's not needed. But yeah, we got a mess in here. No seats, no belts. I honestly, going into this process, I was so hesitant and like, that seems like a lot of work. To be honest, it's not a lot of work. It's just a lot of plastics. Other than that, simple job. So like, you want to do this to your vehicle? Dumb easy. Super simple mod. Just be careful with the driver and passenger seat belts. Make sure you unplug that airbag wire so that seat belt doesn't lock up on you. And it's going to look sick when it's done. But we're going to get these all packaged up and take them to the post office and shipped out so we can get a fast return. I may try and overnight these. Maybe not. We'll see what I can do. Try to get these there and back ASAP. Alright guys, I just dropped the seatbelts off at the UPS store, so those will be shipping out. And hopefully we'll get them back if everything goes as planned. They should be getting there Wednesday. They'll work on them for a day, so Thursday we'll get them back Friday or Saturday, hopefully. That would be awesome. If not, Monday we'll get them back. We'll put them back in. But in the meantime, it's gonna be sweet. It's just gonna be so awesome driving the truck and literally having purple belts. I cannot wait. I'm beyond excited. But anyway, guys, we are pulling in here, and I just want to say thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for your support. Hopefully you guys are excited. The suspension looks so good. Those seat belts are gonna look freaking sweet as well. So I can't wait for you guys to I can't wait for those seatbelts to come back. But I want to say thank you guys for watching. Take care. If you haven't been here before, please get down and click subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, shoot a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in the next video.